Okay, today I'd just like to show you another use for Shalex StickIt. This is a product that can be used for repairing delaminated substrates. Here's a situation that we get quite often, and it's a difficult one to know how to resolve. We've got a wall here that seems to have some moisture problems, and what happens is you can see there's a little bit of salt starting to appear. We've got moisture coming through. It actually creates a bubble in the paint here across the surface. A little bit hard to tell at the moment, but at certain times of the day that's really obvious because of the lighting conditions. Now this is something that we can actually repair quite easily with Shalex StickIt. I'll show you how to do that. We just give the injector a little bit of a pump. Now it actually comes with, I'll just drop the needle down there, comes with an injection needle. Now we just need to find the point of the bubble, which is just here, and by pushing this through the paint and injecting, basically what we've got there is the inside of that area has now been coated with the adhesive, and we just need to give that a little bit of a wipe, and I should have a rag here, and what that will do is it will bind that paint. You can see it coming back out the injection hole. It dries clear, so if you get a little bit extra on, it's not a problem. But this is it's not water sensitive, so it's going to bind this section of paint back into the wall, and it's going to stop this area lifting and bubbling again. So there you have it. It's a nice simple way that you can actually repair paint bubbles, wallpaper bubbles, anything similar, by injecting through the material, and it will actually repair it in situ rather than having to strip all of this off, waterproof it and then repaint it. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of effort.